Okay, well, made it to our destination of camping. I don't know what this creek looks like, but it's down this little path. The guy at the park said it costs $25. The sign costs $25 to camp here, and it's a pretty nice spot. The attendant seemed pretty helpful. Showed right up. I didn't even have to do anything really. It was real nice. But we finally made it down the hill. Here's the creek. I'm not sure what it's going to look like, but I can hear it. I'm still just not seeing it yet. Oh, it looks nice. Real small, tiny. Beautiful creek. Do not see anything yet. Wow. Just a beautiful spot. Just beautiful. We'll go ahead and get set up and get on in there. Okay. Well, this rod is the Max Catch Zoom rod. It's 8 foot, 9 foot, and 10 foot. And these little sections here at the back, they get stuck together pretty good. Looks like I could probably extend this out fully. It's a pretty stiff rod, 7.3, but it's not, you know, nothing weak. There's one. Nice. It's a great little fish. I'm over here having to do some rock climbing, jumping. Ugh. Still got it on. Nice. What is it, a brown? Oh yeah. Nice little brown trout. Awesome. Woo! Falling over. Look at this fish. That is a nice one. Just a beautiful little brown trout. Look at that mouth. Beast. Thanks for playing, little bud. Awesome. Can't believe that one. That one was perfect. Let's try that again. Let's just not go about a stupid angle. I really don't think I'm going to hit another one right there. But we'll see. Nope. Moving up the river again. I'm not real hip into mushrooms, but that is a huge puffball. It's already started to crack. Massive one. So close to camp too. If it wasn't cracked, I might think about trying to eat it. It'd be the first one I ever tried. But I'm gonna leave it there in case something wants to eat it. Well, we got the tent set up here, along with a little bit of a kind of halfway rain shelter here, held up power cord and a stick out of 2 tarps here to kind of keep the area out front of where we're gonna be making dinner and where we're gonna be doing things tonight. We're gonna just to try to keep it dry, along with part of the tent up top. And it's just paracord ran off in every direction to trees, just securing this whole entire thing. The bean says he's prepared for the evening. It is beautiful here. Right through those trees right there, dead ahead of me is right where the river is, but down like 100 feet. Deer Creek. Wonderful little place. Well, good morning, everyone. Giving you guys the look at the coffee set again. Bright and early. It's beautiful here, cloud cover. Been raining most of the night. Get some coffee, a little bit of breakfast going. I don't know. We'll see what happens from there. So I was just getting ready to head to the bathroom, walking around through this little trail here, and I noticed these weird colored lumps on the ground over here. Look at the size of that puffball. That's a size 10 for comparison right there. That's a big mushroom. That's an even bigger one. Just huge mushrooms. And it was just as I was walking by, I spotted them both, like just big old lumpy potatoes. Amazing. I can't even make it back to camp without seeing something. Bunch of moss and rocks. And then right down here next to these sticks, there's some kind of mushroom. They don't look too healthy right now. But then over here, we have one just busting out. Look at that one. Nice. I don't see any more offhand real quick. Maybe I should have looked around. Here's one. Or no, that's just a, yeah, that's part of one. Right there's the top. It's got bugs on it. You see some pine cone pieces around it. Here's another little cap. But that's definitely a mushroom. Here's another one. Right there. Oh look, there's a bunch of little white ones. These might be boletes or something. There's a bunch of little itty bitty guys there. Get the camera to focus. Nice. Any more little friendly little morning mushrooms? There's a good one for you. There's one next to the other one. You see them the little round one there? Let me steady the camera. See this little round one over here to the side with the center part? That's neat. These are cool. Well, this is a pretty funny one. It was like I'm going hunting. Oh, yeah, it's raining. And I'm making my way out down here to this little creek down below camp. See if I can get lucky on something else. It rained pretty good last night, so where I could see it, there's a little color to the water. It's not crystal clear like it was yesterday, but it's sure still flowing beautiful. Can't believe it. I can't waste any more time because I have a limited amount of time before breakfast is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop on down here and see if we can't catch something. Sure looks beautiful. Gonna start out today with a little longer rod than what I was playing with yesterday. This one is the dragon tail line snapper. It's an okay rod. It's a zoom. Meant for bigger fish. The hellbender is what the rod is. Let me get this leader undone real quick. It's a stiff one. Alright, well we'll get this rod telescoped out now that I got the line on it. When you're up here in the forest, you gotta keep control of your line and always mind where you're fishing. You never know what kind of sticks or snags are going to be right behind you in your cast. Alright. The fly that's on here is the bead-headed killer kabari. It's a pretty decent fly. It's got some nice weight to it, but not a lot. Little bow cast out there. There's one. Nice. That's a nice rainbow. Or at least it looks like a rainbow. In the net. Yes. Oh, that's a nice one. Nice man. Big old rainbow. Killer beadhead, Kabari. Oh, that's a great fish right there. Really great fish. Get my hands wet. Probably 17, 18 inches. Beautiful specimen. Got some little red spots there on the tail. Beautiful colors on it though. Beautiful. There it goes. Back into its hole. Yeah, boy, that was nice. So that's a rainbow and a brown out of this creek so far. I just got back from fishing and I see this skillet full of stuff here. What do we got going here, Trisha?
Eggs and red pepper. We got chorizo and eggs, and then I have a little egg for quarter over here.
Nice.
So I'm trying to keep it chorizo free, not being successful.
Chef Trisha.
Fernandez too.
Breakfast sure looks good. All that potatoes, peppers, and chorizo. Can't forget some cheese. Well, here we are exiting our door into the wide open expanses of our day. Fields with cattle over here to the side. Mountains in the background shrouded by clouds and mist. Still raining this morning. A little precipitation here and there, but we got full on breakfast and now we're getting ready to hit the road and see what else awaits us down the road. So as we're nearing the top of this pass, it's pretty evident that there's more dead trees in this forest than there are live trees. Every direction you look, there's dead trees. Way over there in the distance, all the way up against that rock face, nothing but dead trees. Dead trees everywhere, and construction. Like, you can see the construction through the dead trees. There's that many. Oh, we focused on the windshield now. Uh-oh, back out. I had to roll the window down to get a better perspective of this. Just look at all the dead trees. These are all beetle kill, standing dead. When the next fire comes, this is going to be all the fuel it's going to need right here. Hopefully it just stays wet and rains a bunch. And more little ones grow. Come on, trees, you can do it.